Have you ever want to join street, city, state, or zip code into one address, full address ID? Let me show you. For simple method that help you save time, and which one is you prefer, let me know in the comment. Okay, first of all, just normal connection, something like this. We connect with string, separate by comma, okay, and then we connect to another one, and we connect with another string like this, and then we connect with New York, and then we connect with another comma, something like this. You can connect whatever you want, something like this. Okay, boom, you got it. If you don't need comma, just remove it. Okay, just remove it, and then you got it. Something like this, and then you can drag, and that's it, right? Okay, this is the first one that we use and to connect. Let's use the formula this time. So this time we use concat or concatenate. It's the same, but concat available in newer version. You can try it. So for me, just use concat, okay? And then we need to join with that. Just replace with and use with comma. We join with different volume. We need to join with space too. Okay. So the first volume, comma, join with comma and space, and join with this volume, and join with comma and space, and so on. Something like that. Boom, you got the same result, right? Okay. So number 3, we use flat fill. Flat fill. Flat fill available in Excel 13. Okay, let me copy this volume and let me pass it this volume. So this is the volume, right? You can type one sample you want, something like this, or you don't need space. It's up to you. For example, I don't need space. Just something like this. Just type one sample and then double click it or drag it down here. It got something the same, but we see something here. Choose flat fill. Boom. You got it, right? If you want to have a comma right here, just comma it, just comma it, just comma it. And then drag it again over here, automatic update. You got it, something like that. You don't need a formula, right? It's useful for one time, then that's it. You can just flat fill. Okay, let me show you the newest formula available in Excel 365 or 2024. We use join text equal TEXTJOIN, sorry, TEXTJOIN here. Delimiter. You want to separate one to another with what? With comma. Okay. And then you want to ignore empty cell or include. Just ignore it if we have. And then your volume take 1, take 2, take 3, and you just drag right here. So this is useful to connect a long string with TEXTJOIN function. Boom, you got it. Easy and fast. Okay. Okay, hope you learned something from the film. See you next time.